A first touch that kills the ball.
It
makes you feel frightened, but it's true. You generate that pressure, that feeling of anxiety. How do you alleviate that feeling of anxiety in the first place?
Pass the ball.
Keep the ball moving, have a good first touch. Tactics also played an important part to the game. What tactic worked if you were one of the teams trying to get it to the middle in the first game?
Just draw them out and then pass it in.
Drawing them out. What's that word beginning with M that's all to do with tonight's session?
Manipulate.
What did we manipulate, Caden?
Space.
Is your name Caden? Almost. Manipulating space, that's correct. Now, was it more difficult when we had two people in the middle, two prisoners?
Yes.
Why?
Well, actually, no, because there are more people.
That's an interesting statement. So can you try to explain that,
Well,
Idan?
because then there's people are trying to pass it more, and people are crowding the middle, but you have the same number of players in each team.
Right. So each team also had the option of what?
Passing.
Possession to score goals, right? So initially, the team that was in possession started dominating, and they scored 3 or 4 goals unanswered with quick passing. Think about that for a second. They went 3-0 up to begin with. How many passes is that?
15.
That's 15 passes without the opposition touching it in the space of what? 60, 90 seconds. That's pretty good, right?
Because you could just pass around and then hit it to the middle.
And then as soon as they drew out to try and stop the passes and possession, what did you do?
Stay in the middle wall.
We then played the middle. You lost it because you were
We
tired.
won like 30.
What tactic was especially successful at scoring in the middle with 2 players in the middle? And then playing it where?
Finding the other angle.
When everyone was doing what?
Ball watching.
Ball watching is the key. When everyone was ball watching and we had the switch to do it, that was good. Was that fun?
Yeah.
You guys did really good. Just so you know, that's something I do in my U18s. It's a really difficult game that uses a lot of thinking, a lot of decision making, and quite frankly, like Tate said, it's a lot of pressure and it teaches us how to deal with it. You guys did awesome. Get yourself a quick